Imagine seeing a building, a dish, or a sentence in another language, but having no idea what to type into Google. For years, search had one basic limitation: you needed the right words before it could give you an answer. Aparna Chennapragada helped lead the product designed to remove that limitation, Google Lens. But that was only the first part of her story. Today, Microsoft says she is leading work on intelligent agents that can reason, plan, and act with permission. What connects those two technology shifts? Google Lens offered another way to search. Instead of describing something, you could point a camera at it. A sign could become translated text. Something unfamiliar could become useful information. By 2019, a Google post under Aparna's name said people had already asked Lens more than 1 billion questions about the things they saw. That number revealed the real achievement. Computer vision had existed in laboratories. Lens placed it inside an ordinary moment, when you could see the question but could not put it into words. And that ability to turn complicated technology into a simple action would become the pattern behind Aparna's career. Lens was not an isolated success. Microsoft says Aparna led the development of Google Lens and Google Now. Over 12 years at Google, her work crossed search, shopping, augmented reality, assistant, and YouTube. She also served as technical assistant to Google's CEO. The products changed, but the challenge remained surprisingly consistent. Take something technically powerful and turn it into an action that feels natural. For Lens, that action was pointing a camera. Then she tested that pattern outside Google. In 2021, she left the company where she had spent 12 years. Robinhood appointed her its first chief product officer, overseeing product design and research. Her chief product officer role ended in August 2022, followed by a transitional advisory period. By 2023, Aparna was on sabbatical when a friend arranged a conversation with Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. Generative AI was creating a new interface shift. The question was no longer only whether AI could understand, it was whether AI could help a person act. Aparna joined Microsoft during that transition. Microsoft says her early projects included an AI first visual editor, the Frontier program, and the Microsoft 365 Copilot app. By April 2026, Microsoft identified her as Chief Product Officer for AI experiences. Her work includes agents designed to reason, plan, and act with permission. The connection to Lens becomes clearer here. Lens tried to understand what a camera could see. Agents aim to understand a goal and help carry it through. The interface is different and the responsibility greater, but the product challenge is familiar. Make a complicated system useful without making the user carry its complexity. That makes Aparna's career more than a sequence of titles. It is a story about returning to the same difficult question as technology changes. How do you translate a powerful technical capability into something a real person can use? At Google Lens, the answer began with a camera. At Microsoft, it involves agents that can help move work forward. Your most durable career strength may not be one tool, company, or title. It may be the important problem you learn to solve repeatedly. So document more than what you shipped. Show what became easier and what proved the work mattered. That is how one achievement becomes a career pattern. If stories like hers make you want more, hit subscribe. I've got a lot more women in tech to introduce you to.